all day long. This is more beautiful than a Ferrari. Oh yeah, that's up. And I love it. It's a gladiator.
Use that argument for your wife or girlfriend.
I'll show her the video.
It's beautiful, ridiculous, and I love it. I want it.
Oh yeah. What's up? This is why you call me Sunday. I love these. I like this too. There you go. It's Canada's fastest Hellcat. Where's it plugged into? You're yeah.
Whole black thing is on some people's phones, sticking out of the charging port sometimes. Yeah. I thought it was like a charging port with text on it. I'm an idiot.
This is what I used to do. Yeah.
And it says a premiere. Oh, can I get the glue coming out so I'm on? That'd be cool. Perfect.
Wait for it. Ooh. Beautiful anyway.
Beautiful anyway. Nice.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, I like to get the cool ass color.
It's the Twister. Beautiful.
Hey, it's the Chaser!
Let Dorothy fly.
Fly, Dorothy, fly! Okay, that sounds stupid.
Rolling coal, baby. Oh yeah, MK4. tires. Oh my!
Holy
and the
shit.
brakes.
Whoa! Oh, look at this thing.
You're good. You're good. You're good. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. This over a Supra any day.
Yes, I agree.
Stickers and all, skeleton too.
Well, I'm gonna say for the SRT4 now.
Yep.
I have to.
But the purple though, and it's right-hand drive.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Look at that color though; it's so rich. My sister-in-law might get a CRV. Oh, oh! Drop that ass.
I'll laugh you can't get it back up. That's what she said.
That's the video.
Oh!
No, better, honestly.
Better content.
PG.
But now this one's PG-14. Because The Office is PG-14.
That's right.
Keep that in mind.
Woo! Oh.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Or sorry, okay. What's up?
S2000, a little bit of camber, BBS rims.
A Lancer.
Evil Lancer.
No, that's the regular Lancer.
Yeah.
Oh, hey. You might be right.
Oh. That's my soul, man.
You like the Lancer? Super. Titanium exhaust?
And my favorite part is the back of it says, fuck your opinion.
Yeah. That's nice accurate. I don't see accurate figures like that anymore.
No, you're
Whoa!
almost missed that one. Whoops.
Greasy end.
Check out those rims rolling out.
Look, it's the
Oh, yeah.
Parmesan.
Yeah.
That's it. What the fuck is that? I think we blew something up. What I love?
Another absolute
Oh man, he's got a
you.
feature passenger, man. Look, getting a little thin in his
He's
skin.
skin and bones. Feed him a
Take that guy
cheeseburger.
to McDonald's on the way home.
Feed him a cheeseburger. I love the taillights though.
I love. Oh shit.
They're up in like the fender, like not, but like up in like.
Oh, ready for Need for Speed Underground 2 vibes.
Hello. Oh yeah.
My buddy did one up exactly like that. That's the simple. Oh wait. No.
That is so beautiful. That is so good. Like brake lights, like the whole setup.
Yep.
Thankfully, I have a sweater in my backpack, right? I took it off earlier to not sweat to death.
This one coming, I thought it was Suki.
Oh, I know.
Tease. I like it. Very nice.
Gorgeous.
Oh, let me tell you.
There we go. Hoover taillights. Bop, 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 bop. Come on, BRZ, what do you got? It's a Toyota, baby. Yeah. One more. I'm waiting for that Volkswagen to start up. Yeah. Not quite silky, but almost. I'm getting Too Fast, Too Furious vibes up in here, you know? Arts out, guys. It's the McLaren. Okay, but the paint job.
buddy.
Let's see how easy this beast can make this turn.
He's going straight.
He's going for it. Nice. Beautiful. And we get to film the Volkswagen leaving as well. Win, 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 baby. Oh, so gorgeous. Win, win, win. Guys, I was just saying, it's so cool. These guys are cool, don't get me wrong. I love them all. But check out the 90s Jetta. 4-door, front-wheel drive, 2-liter. It is a 1992 Volkswagen Jetta in red, beautiful, no tint, with the Porsche rims. Absolutely stunning. This one would be my pick of the win. The whole show, right here, done. Volkswagen Jetta, baby. For all you Cavalier lovers, here you go, man.
And Pontiacs on fire.